Struggling with the Steam destination folder must be empty error. We'll show you how to fix it step by step and get Steam running smoothly again. Open the Start menu and type Control Panel, then click on it. Navigate to Programs and Features. Find Steam in the list, click on it, and select Uninstall. Open File Explorer and click on This PC. Go to Local Disk, C, or the drive where Steam is installed. Open the Program Files folder and look for a folder named Steam. If found, right-click and delete it. Repeat this step in the Program Files x86 folder. In File Explorer, click on the View tab. Select Options on the right side. Under the View tab in Folder Options, check Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives, then click Apply and OK. Once you've deleted all Steam files and folders, restart your PC. Open your web browser and go to steam.com. Click on Install Steam at the top of the page. Download and run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Check the box to run Steam after installation. Log into your account and try running your games. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.